From that angle? Or from, okay. Fun little boat. Oh! Right?
Oh, that's great.
Today is January 9th, 2023. We are in again Nong Khiaw. We are on a boat. The driver is way back there. It is, if I'm wrong, correct me, Nele's birthday? Okay. We learned a new word yesterday, Falang. F-A-L-A-N-G. Falang is foreigner in Laos. So now we know Falang. Actually, I do need to pee. I am drunk. Hello, Falang. We're also Falang. We are going to dock. Imagine if this was our new life.
I care because sometimes.
Oh, is that a machete? Oh my god. Hello, little man. Somebody. Hello, cow. Do you know where Tadmuk waterfalls are?
Okay, maybe he goes to the waterfall.
All right, we're gonna have to follow the cow now. We are now headed to Tadmuk Waterfalls. Go through the village to get there from the river. We got lost, and I think we're now headed the right way. And it's finally gotten warm, which is good.
Oh, and see at that. Please respect nature, no plastic.
Hell yeah, no plastic. Hi, little piglet.
How old do you think he is? I think 1 or 2 days. 2 days?
Wow. Oh, poor little guy. And some falang. 4 falang, and then we have 1, 2, 3 falang, which makes 7 falang. And then left.
A lot of that people had, or seems a little bit, yeah, not directly sick or ill
Who?
in the village.
Oh, yeah.
But she's scared.
Mm-hmm.
But it's
Stuck. Why is your claw stuck?
dog, like at the entrance.
Oh, that dog was adorable.
Do you have that? No. Okay. One of the part of this experience is I'm.
Oh, cow, we want to go here. I hear people. Yeah, it's pretty. Have you got in? Is it cold?
Very cold,
Yeah. Tadmuk Waterfalls. And the water's cold, shockingly, because it's January. And we're kind of in the jungle here, forest, and it's cold. Oh. Yep. She did a 2-part. Now you'll be able to see
Okay.
the shot.
So now it's Andrew's try. No, just go for it. Look if you made it.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Nice head massage.
Yeah, it's a head massage.
How I end that?
Oh, the top button. Back to the boat. Oh, this is steep.
Or they have better. One of them is very unspotted. Or they have very spotted.
Yeah, I think
Or they have better.
through here,
Yeah, yep.
right? Oh, that's easier then.
Oh, there? Oh, it's the way.
Just straight through this way, yeah. The ground.
Yes, the air is very, like, about 1 day or something like that.
Oh, true. Spider-Man!
Oh my. Sorry?
Is it bad that the boat left?
Yeah.
Oh, that's our guy. to the kayaks. Board. No more kayaking for me. Kayaking? Wait. See? Oh, that's not really evident. Kayak. There we go. Did the waterfalls. Nele's birthday. And they're leaving me. Should probably catch them. 5-second clip.
Bye.
Please and thank you.
Kannst auch ein bisschen mitpaddeln, dann kommen wir. Nele?
I don't know if my technique is right. I'm just gonna turn around to you.
Oh, no crash at all.
Go. So then, because I only wanted me for a bit.
Used to dance in Texas, now she clean the house every day.
Yeah.
I was struggling
2015.
to learn what
I'm extending one day and then I would leave the 11th.
Yes.
Like you're saying, yeah.